So
and
you want the bumper and the fender, basically.
yeah, and this if we can. How much was the insurance total? What is up, fam? Hope this message finds you all on good spirits. Well, today's the day we are saying goodbye to the Hulk for a little bit because we had to drop it off at the insurance auto body shop to get the front bumper damaged by the deer redone. Basically, it needs new fender, new front bumper, new headlight, new rear light. They're gonna actually basically repaint the entire front end, fender, hood, all that kind of stuff. You will see some Hulk content while the car is gone, but it's gonna be gone for a couple weeks. So just in case you're wondering where it's going. But I do want to find out how much this insurance bill is gonna cost because obviously the GT500 is a very new model. Don't know how much the parts are going to be. Some people suggested that I fix the car outside of insurance. So we're going to find out part by part how much it costs. And also what's behind me here. That's right. We have the Stealth Mamba. If you haven't seen it, the reveal is up. This is the runner-up car to our Shelby GT350 giveaway. What does that mean? Well, if you don't win the 350, we'll call your name for this. So that's right. We're giving 2 cars away. And what's super exciting is, guys, we're coming to an end. That's right. We're about, at the time of this video, 7 days left, 1 week left. It all ends August 31st. Go to StangMode.com, grab yourself a shirt like this or a hat, which I'm not wearing, and you're entered to win. Pretty straightforward. But anyways, let's go jump in the Hulk and see what the insurance costs. The Stealth Mamba, we're calling it now. Looking good. Got your feedback about the rear stance. We're going to get a wire tire back there and make it look clean and mean. Let me show you the damage. If you guys are late to the party, let me show you exactly where it's at. It is right here. You can see this is all bent. The deer hit me there. This is actually, it's all gonna get fixed. This headlight alone is about $1,500 to $2,000. So this gotta be fixed. Of course, this is all new. New. This will all be new. Sorry about that plane has passed. I'm gonna save this. Save. Hang in the garage. Maybe make some cool furniture out of it. I don't know. But it's kind of cool because this car does have 11,000 miles on it, and it's gonna kind of get like a new whole new front end. So get a cold start. Now remember, this is E85, so it's gonna be like, you'll be like, oh, your car sounds stupid. All right, so we still have Hulk content coming through, even though Hulk's going to be going away to the body shop. So, you know, that's fear not, but it will be away for a while. Very pleased with the car's behaving. Everything's working in concert and comfortably. Just super well done. And the build's not even finished yet. I mean, we still have to do, like I said, headers, fuel system. We can pull it down even further. Trans tuning is not even unlocked. I was paddle shifting every single race. Very comfortable now, so I know exactly, you know, the sweet spot, you know, seat time. But yeah, the Hulk is a beast. I mean, all the puns you can think of, I'll throw in there. Car is a beast. Yeah, performs like a bat out of hell. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God.
And it's docile too. Like it really is a Hulk. Like right now we're Bruce Banner, right? We're Dr. Banner. We're chilling. Car is fine. Normal mode. I have all the creature comforts. Sadly, I did. I lost. I gave into the XM Sirius emails, and I renewed my subscription because it ended after 6 months. So I put it back in. And I like XM, but I don't know where I got to this point. But you know, Hulk is performing the way I would have hoped, and everyone, all the naysayers about the transmission, so far so good. You know, I'm very happy with the way the car is holding up at this power level. 980 wheel horsepower, well over 1,000 crank. Hulk is holding up pretty well, and we want to take it to the drag strip as soon as it's back from the body shop. as we get PPF'd again, and you know, we'll be right in the sweet spot of weather. We'll be out of these 90-degree times. We'll be chilling at the weather of 60s, maybe 50s, and the swan song of Echo will be there, and try to get some really good passes out of it. I'm gonna say this car can definitely do mid-9s, no question. But you know, can we get to low 9s? I'd say if they ever figure out, if they can, I'm not rushing, but if they can figure out trans tuning by the end of the year, I believe this could be an high 8-second car. That's with trans tuning, and after that, it's game on, and that's pretty exciting. You know, I think again, that's kind of what we all wanted from the jump. So, and here it is. But anyways, I'm just babbling and rambling. Let's get over to the body shop and find out what the damage is and what's going to cost.
Remember? I'll look like. Alright, so even if I turn it on for the 10 years, it's not a rule.
So, and also just, I wanted to tell the channel.
So, wow, you got a lot of wax on that car.
Yeah, well, that's the PPF.
Wow, something's on it. Look at
See,
that.
that's the PPF. That's the actual, yep. It's like a plastic wrap.
All right,
So
so we'll walk around the car. You know, nobody's gonna really be driving your car.
Sure.
We'll leave it in.
Yeah, my buddy, he's doing a paint. He's a 350 Mustang owner as well. So we text a lot.
Okay.
So he was like, "When's the car coming out?" I was like, "Monday." So
Yeah. All right.
So the main thing is he's obviously just gonna blend everything. See, this has a PPF here too.
Yeah.
So they'll take that off. And
All right.
so, all right. What do you think? Go ahead.
There's no locks or something that I need to get this car. What about wheel locks? Do you have wheel locks?
I have wheel locks in
Have the
the
case.
armrest. Let me double check.
I just want to make sure I have it.
Because yeah, you might have to take them off.
Take the wheel off.
Yeah, hold on one second. I believe this is it. All right. Yep. So I'll put them in the armrest. And we're saving the bumper, fender,
So
and
you want the bumper and the fender, basically.
yeah, and this if we can.
So you want the headlight?
Yeah, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get another cover and seal it.
See.
That was simple. Now I know how to do it.
Yeah.
Just out of curiosity, how much was the insurance
Well,
total?
what it is and where it's going to be when we're done is two different things. I
Okay.
can show you a printout.
Yeah.
At the end, you'll get a full printout. I
Okay.
want to say we're somewhere in the neighborhood, like 10 grand right now.
Okay, right now.
I forget. I'll look at it.
Because some people were like, "Oh, why don't you just fix it privately?" And I was like, "I'd rather have it done."
You could do that. The problem is, if you do it privately, you get, when you pick up your car, you know, if you have a problem.
No, yeah, no, I wanted it to be my thing was the paint, because I don't want to have two different shades,
We'll have
you know.
We'll have it all blended. Everything will be fine. We'll go from there.
And what's your turnaround time, you think?
That I don't know right
All
now
right.
until I get it apart. So you're probably
48 hours.
Yeah, let's go down. I would say at least wait 2 weeks.
Okay, all right,
And we'll go from there. If we have
All
a
right.
problem with color,
Yeah.
if we have a problem with parts after we take it apart,
all right.
I'll update you or call me.
Yeah. If there's anything to do that, you know, I don't want to rush it, but I do need it back because it is part of the channel.
I
so.
get it. So we ordered what we could.
Okay, that's fine. Let's check out the
I
price.
did
Exterior.
this. I did this to order the parts.
Got it. That's just okay. We haven't even gotten into the nitty gritty yet.
No.
All right.
No, I won't know until I get it apart.
Guys, we are back in the Raptor, and I hope that answers everyone's questions who had hit me up about fixing the Hulk privately outside of insurance. And I get your concern, and I appreciate it because that would hurt the value. But you know, at this point, the car is a little bit more of a publicly known vehicle, and you know, I didn't do any purpose to try to, you know, fix it privately and save the Carfax. So this way, it'll be done correctly. It'll have all genuine parts from Ford. It's coming from Detroit, so that makes me feel good. And for other people who had questions, there was no core charge. I had to pay anything extra, so I get a chance to keep the parts, which is cool as well. I think that's because it's such a newer vehicle and there's so limited quantity of them being made right now, which I think they'll make more of them, obviously. But that's the update on the Hulk. Can't wait to get it back. Appreciate all the support. And again, we will have more content coming up with the Hulk, even though it's obviously, as you see, MIA for a little bit from the stable. And again, just to reiterate, we are a week and counting. The countdown is on. The Shelby GT350 giveaway is upon us, as well as our runner-up New Edge. So super excited. Mystery Boxes 2.0 are live as well. Welcome to Mystery Boxes 2.0, guys. That's right, we're back at it again. Our Mystery Boxes are now worth 200 times entries to get a chance to win our 350 and now our runner-up New Edge. We're so excited. That's right, we're giving away 2 cars. That's the grand prize. That's the runner-up. We're so excited. How does Mystery Box 2.0 work? Well, very simply, very easily. Now they're worth 200 entries. What is it in there? You get $100 worth of site merchandise, t-shirts, hats, key tags, keychains, and some of the lucky few will get these epic bonus items you see here. PlayStations, Apple iWatches, sound systems, TVs, you name it. We even have the Xboxes as well. We have the really cool virtual reality stuff, but you snooze, you lose. It all ends at 8/31. We're coming to an end. We're coming in for a landing. Grab yourself Mystery Box 2.0, and you are entered to win these beautiful Mustangs. So get it in before it ends. Look forward to meeting the winners. All right, see you soon. Peace.